What's up, guys? This is a legal research system that I'm running off of a server in my apartment. Let's say a lawyer wants to look up some case law. Give me case law for homicide in New York State. So just type that in. Behind the scenes, the AI agents are fetching something called SerpAPI, which fetches Google Scholar indirectly. The results come back, they get polished, they get summarized, and the links show up directly here. After this finishes, we'll just click one of the links and see how a lawyer might just look up a case that they seem interested in. Let's say, okay, Roper versus Simmons. Let's come up here. The first thing I'm going to do is finish some basic features, for example, document rag, web search, deep research. This isn't done yet, but it's just a showcase. Once I have basic features going, I can work on the legal aspect of it. For example, working on a workflow that a paralegal might use. It could be doing things like understanding documents, editing documents, generating new documents. So let's go over the system architecture. A user hits a browser and I'm using Next.js to serve the requests. I'm using Kubernetes for hosting the stuff. I'm using Google Authenticator for just authenticating users. The chat interface and the backend use a WebSocket. So the front end Next.js uses WebSockets to talk to the FastAPI server. The file upload is what I showed you already. This is stand is what's used for maintaining state for things like my Google Auth user signing in. So behind the scenes, I'm using OpenAI's infrastructure, using their OpenAI's Agents SDK. I'm not using voice or streaming right now, but apart from that, on my own servers, I'm using a Redis. I have a MinIO which stores the files. I'm using TaskIQ to run background servers. I don't need anything right now, but that's there already. And there's an agent orchestrator. So these are the multi-agent systems. So there's a legal agent, there's a triage agent, clarifier, web search, SerpAI, deep research, and the Google Scholar is essentially what SerpAI is using. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sharing what I'm working on, the tech behind it, what really powers it underneath the hood. Try it out. Let me know what you think. I'm open to comments and suggestions.